Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up TradingView alerts for US stocks step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to tradingview.com. Log into your TradingView account or create a new one if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the chart for the US stock you want to set alerts for. On the chart, locate the price level or indicator where you want the alert. Right-click on the price level or indicator. From the context menu, select Add Alert. The alert creation window will pop up on the right side of the screen. In the alert creation window, set the condition for the alert. Choose crossing, greater than, or less than, depending on your preference. Enter the price level for the alert in the relevant field. You can adjust the frequency of the alert notifications in the expiration section. Decide whether you want to be notified via email or push notification. For added customization, you can enter a message for the alert. Once you've configured all settings, click the Create button to finalize the alert. Your alert will now be active and will notify you based on the conditions you set. To manage or edit your alerts, click on the Alerts tab on the right sidebar. Here, you can see a list of all your active alerts. You can edit, pause, or delete alerts as needed. Now you are all set to monitor your US stocks with TradingView alerts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.